how to get new matches on eHarmony. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can get new matches on eHarmony. So let's start. First of all, open eHarmony and then log into your account. You can use either the app or the website version of the platform. I'll be using the website version. After you log into your eHarmony account, you'll come to the home screen like this. As you scroll below on the screen, you'll find profiles of various people around you. So basically, when you like a particular profile and if they like you back, it's a match. So you can simply tap on the particular profile and then decide whether to like it or not. So in order to get new matches, keep on liking the people of your choice and then you might eventually get the match. However, if you are not finding the profiles of your choice, then you can apply some search filters and then find the profiles of your choice. For that, simply go to the Discover page, which is the option right side of the home icon. As you go to Discover page, you'll find profiles of many more people. In order to apply the filter, tap on this filter icon that you can find on the right side of Discover. After that, select the criteria as you like. You can select various details such as age, height and other things. So make the changes and apply the filters as you like. After applying the search criteria, you'll find profiles matching those particular details. So as you go on liking the profiles, you'll eventually get likes and matches as well. So in this way, you can get new matches on eHarmony. That's it for the video. Subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.